There's an old saying, a wood turner in need is a wood turner without wood to turn. So a friend of mine recognized my need and brought me all this wood to turn. Wow! Thank you, Damian. I appreciate it. This stuff here is a maple, and this is Leland Cyprus. Leland Cyprus. And I've already started turning a piece of Leland Cyprus. The wood's not really dry, but I wanted to turn something for Damian as a thank you for taking his time and appreciating my need and bringing me all this wood to turn. So I got a lot of work to do now. Let me show you what I'm turning for him. I'm making Damian this little vase. We'll call it a vase. And this is Leland Cyprus. And I'm not quite done with it. I've got to burnish it and then wax it, burnish the wax in, and then it will be done. So Damian, again, thank you so much for taking care of me, and I hope that you and your wife will enjoy this Leland Cyprus vase. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Bye now.